All right, so today we're here at Mission Bay. It's my first time fishing Mission Bay. Let's see what we catch. All right, so we're dropping the Kayak. I think this is the 3.3 inch. Let's see what we can catch with this. Whoa! I had a few nibbles. Let's see if we can catch what's nibbling. Oh yeah, caught him on the drop. There we go. Nice spotty. On the drop. Oh yeah, on again. Oh, bigger one. Submission fishing. Swallowed that thing. Quick release. It's stuck on the piling, but I got a fish on. There we go. Got him out. Oh, we're almost off. And there we go. Another nice spotty. He spit up some clam. Another spotty. It's a good size one. Big guy. On again. Bigger spotty this time. Stuck to a. That is a giant mussel. We're on again. Another spotty. Oh, he's got me stuck. Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. There we go. I think I got him out. Yeah. Woo. On the Assassin. 15 gram. On another one. There we go. Another fat guy. Later. Looks like the little bait right now that I see. We're on again. Woohoo! Gonna launch. See you. Little tiny guy. Look at this little guy. Got big appetite. Jigs is almost as big as you, bud. And see ya. Alright. We were able to catch, I believe, 11 spotties. I am pretty happy. First time fishing in Mission Bay. Thanks for coming along with me. See you at the next one.